Hi guys, so this is Ujjwal Kumar Sen and you are watching Ujjwal Kumar Sen YouTube channel. Well, many of you requested me to create that video, biggest mistakes for RRB aspirants. Those are doing, maybe you are RRB's aspirants, right? So that's why you are watching this video. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you the same content what I have shared earlier in Hindi. But yes, if you have watched that tutorial, you can watch this one also. Because I'm going to add some secret sauce which will definitely fruitful for you also if you're watching this video and if you have already watched that video too, right? So if you are preparing for RRB, then do one thing. Follow only few tutorials, YouTube channel or maybe other things, right? If you are unable to get content in English, then do one thing, take coaching. If your basic is not clear, if you are good in basics, then you can do practice. For practicing all the books, not only for RRB JE, for SSC JE also, I have put the links below. You can go through those links. You are going to get best books according to me for both the examination, RRB JE as well as SSC JE, as well as for both examination. For RRB JE, CVT 1 and CVT 2, for SSC JE, paper 1 and paper 2. I hope you are getting me right. Now, come to the point. What are those mistakes you are making for this examination if you are an aspirant? First mistake, you are wasting time by watching this video and that video unnecessarily. For example, how many people fill that form? Which zone is danger zone? If I already filled the form, what's the use of knowing which zone is danger? I'll give you the solution for this. Don't worry. Just watch this video till the end. You are going to learn a lot of more things which will definitely helpful for you. Now, so don't go here and there. Only stick to your books, only stick to syllabus. Now I will tell you what to do exactly where you are making mistake. First mistake, you are just jumping this video to that video. Oh my god, this video is Hindi. Oh my god, this video is not having good content. Why you are jumping from this video to that video? So I will definitely tell you, have materials. So told you that buy books, don't read. First biggest mistake, just you are getting as PDF as you can in your system. Don't do that. Only use PDF for solving question. If you get PDF format of questions, you can get first. Second, only use PDF for clearing one or two topics, not all the topics. Biggest mistake of aspirants. First mistake. Second, they are not preparing their own notes. So you should prepare your own notes for each and every topic. So for preparing your own notes, you can do one thing. You can watch single or two videos for that topic first. Second, read that topic in a book. Right? That's why you can prepare quite amazing notes which nobody can get in the market. Your content would be much better. Best one you can prepare. If you want notes in PDF, let me know. I will try to arrange for you guys. But I have to talk to my team for this, right? Because it will take a lot of time. So you can do this, right? Second mistake you are making, only you are preparing notes. You are not doing revision. Remember, my dear, revision is the backbone of your preparation. Doesn't matter for which examination you are preparing. But especially if you are preparing for competitive examination, then revision is must. This is really important. Second mistake, second biggest mistake you guys are doing now. Third, which is really crucial. What is that? You are only studying theoretical things. Yes, it is necessary to know theory, but you should solve questions. Now, next question may be coming in your mind. From where you should start solving questions? You can start from previous year, right? And second, then NTSC previous year questions. Third, start writing test series. You guys ask me which test series is best. I will try to share with you which test series is best. I have started testing which one is the best one according to you. I will definitely share with you in the next week for this matter, right? So if you have purchased any one, then you can write test series. Then I think there is nothing wrong because you have a lot of time now. Now, next biggest mistake. Few students are just sitting and studying. Don't do like that. Study. There is nothing wrong with studying for long hours. That's really amazing. But you should put effort. That's why you can get some output for what you are studying. Right? And next, if you are not getting any topic, don't leave that topic. You can discuss that topic with your friends. You can read about that topic in many forums. Just search on Google, you are going to get many answers. You can also watch videos if it is available in English. If you understand English, if you understand Hindi, then there are a lot of videos you can get, right? Now let's come back to the main secret sauce of getting success in competitive examination. There is only one secret sauce. That is what? Practicing questions. More questions you will practice, better score you are going to get. Why it is so? Because if you practice more questions, you will come to know what you have learned in theory, how those things, those facts, those points you can implement to solve any type of question. Now, another mistake you are doing while writing test series, if you are writing test series or if you are solving questions, you are not putting pressure here. You are just seeing answer and you are saying, oh, this is really easy, you can do it. Then why you are seeing solution? If you can do it, solve it from yourself. Why you are seeing solution? Maybe you are getting angry from my words. This is true, but this is true. If you are getting solution directly from the book, that means you are losing something. Try to solve it from yourself. If you cannot solve it, don't look at the solution. Read what you have to read. Read about that topic from other textbooks. In this way, you are going to learn lot more things about that topic, which will be useful for you to solve, maybe to solve the next question. In this way, you can improve your knowledge. You can improve your thinking. Because you know, whenever you will try, you will come to know where you are making mistake. And where you are making mistake, try to write down on your notebook. Yes, here, in this topic, here I make mistake. That's why whenever you will rewrite test series, you can do revision of that thing. Yes, I make mistake here. That's why not repeat that mistake. Guys, remember one thing. Human beings means we can make mistake. But if you're not learning from your mistake, that means that is the biggest mistake you are doing. That will not help you to have better life. I hope you are getting me. Now here I will share with you 3 most important secret sauce. Recently, actually, maybe you know about me. I am living in Delhi right now, right? So recently I have attended a conference in 5-star hotel, of course. I will not take the name of the hotel because maybe thinking that I am doing advertisement for that hotel, but I am not doing that. So I went there for a conference. There I have learned 3 important things, although I knew about those things, but yes. Now after listening to lot of leaders in the market, if they are thinking these are secret sauce for getting success in our life, then I am also thinking why not to share with you guys. Maybe it will be helpful for you. So first, if someone is getting fail in any subject, when he or she is getting fail, suppose that your passing percentage is 40 marks, you are getting 38. That means because of just 2 marks you are getting fail. Now think about this. If you can able to score 38 marks, you can also able to score 40 marks. Why? Why? There is a difference between 30 and 40 because of you. Maybe you haven't done well in the examination. So what you must did to pass in the examination or to top in the examination even, you should put before the examination that little extra effort. That's why you will become extraordinary. In this word extraordinary, what we can say, there are two words, combination of two words, extra and ordinary. So to become ordinary to extraordinary, you have to put something extra. Now let's compare this with your study. If you are studying 1 hour, you can put 1 hour, 1 minute extra to your study daily. If you will do this for 30 days, you will study 30 minutes extra. For studying 30 minutes extra, maybe you can solve one extra question. Are you getting my point? It's not a job of one day, it's a job of long time. So even you will put little extra effort, it will be compounding, you will see compounding effect of that extra effort at the end. So put that extra effort to become extraordinary. Are you getting my point? First point is over. Second point is here. Doesn't matter what you are doing, try to find out one of the biggest reason to do that. And third point is here. Don't think about cracking RRB JE, SSC JE any examination. Think about it. Why you are looking for getting that job. How you can help railway. How you can help SSC. How you can help your country through that job. Guys, if you are not doing job, then let me tell you one thing. Cracking job is really easier than doing job. This is the hard truth. If someone is doing job in PSU, then ask that person. If someone is doing job in public sector, then ask that person. Just like getting elected in election is much easier than doing job according to the people, what people wanted from you. This is what I realized. This is my own personal view. What I have realized after living outside 12 or 13 years, after teaching 7-8 years, after creating thousands of videos, after helping a lot of students in different places, I'm sharing with you. I hope these things will help you to get great achievement in your life. I really wish you best of luck, and definitely you must have materials. And for materials, you can check out video links. If you like the video, click on like button, share with your friends, and of course, keep practicing, keep practicing, keep practicing. At the end, I will tell you one thing. Become something. That's why people will also wanted to become like you. So guys, bye bye. Thanks for watching.